Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing this yummy egg sauce with you guys. So now let's start cooking. Just added a little bit of sunflower oil to my pan, poured in my sliced garlic and ginger and one habanero pepper. I'm going to fry this for a couple of seconds. Add in my onions. You can use any onions of your choice, but I decided to use red and white onions. Loosen the onions up a little bit. Pour in my tomatoes. Then my bell peppers. I'm using red and orange bell pepper. You can add green. You can add yellow bell peppers to it as well. So now I'm adding curry powder, salt, and powder seasoning. Just stir it together. Beat my egg and pour it in. So yummy. You have to taste it first to adjust your seasoning if you have to. So just poured my egg in. Stir it a little bit. Now I'm going to pour in my vegetable and I'm using spinach. It's so easy to put together. See that? Just let it cook a couple of seconds, 1 minute there about. Is ready. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. I hope you try this recipe. It's so yummy. You can eat yam, you can eat rice with it. Even though the boiled plantain is so yummy and very easy to put together. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And I see you in my next one. Bye.